Good morning, everybody. It's time for another shave. And for today's shave, I'm gonna be using Tsurai by BBS Soap in the Gaia base because I wanted to, check it again because the first time that I used it, it wasn't that great of a lather. So I wanted to give it another chance. This smells like floral, at least to my nose. Don't trust my nose, but it's somewhat floral to me. It's gonna be nice. And of course I have the matching splash, and for the brush I'm gonna be using my Oumo Metal Storm with a ST2, not plumber state included. It's a pretty cool handle. As you can tell, I have a lot of Oumos because you can find them fairly cheap. Excuse me. And for the razor, to finish up the Yates trifecta, I'm gonna be using the Winning V2 titanium with the Filoso Blade. Probably gonna be the last use that I for it. This is gonna be, I think, the fourth use. I remember this is the first razor that I got from Yates. It works. It shaves pretty well, but my favorite is the 921. 921 became my favorite. Hope everybody's doing well. It's a beautiful morning on freaking Florida. And I forgot how comfortable this handle is. And the floppiness of the you can tell this is fish tail pretty much. This is why I don't like it. It doesn't have much springiness. It works better in the Oumo or very deep drill handles because these knots are very, very, very tall. So you need a very deep handle. So it makes it better or less bad. But it works. It does the job. You're gonna see it working a lather now. I used it before, but I prefer the ST1 better. You see, it's like not much springiness. It doesn't contour. Doesn't hug your skin that well. And it just it keeps the shape. Whatever you did, that's what it keeps. But it worked great for this, flapping. Yeah, it's pretty much a fishtail. But yeah, another is looking good. This one is gonna be better, and I know it should be good. It's BBS. It should be good. The scent is very relaxing. As always, I don't know the notes, even though I already used this soap. But I can tell you that according to my brain, it's floral. Not like yesterday that I said I was picking up sherry, and that soap doesn't have sherry at all. The Rio de Janeiro from Ariana Neves, nope, no sherry. It has coconut, pineapple, and what was the other thing? I think it has some woods, but no sherry. Peach. That's the one that shocked me because I love peach, but I didn't got the usual peach, I guess, that I'm used to. Same thing happens with there's a soap that I got recently that it has peach, and I don't get the peach like usually a sweet, strong peach. But still, look at this lather. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. You can already tell this is gonna be a good one. Because I prefer tallow bases, but of course there's vegan bases are gonna work. They do a great job, they are slick, but my skin reacts better or prefer tallow bases. Even though it's ironic because all the recommendations says that I shouldn't use tallow base soap because of my skin that is very oily. I'm prone to acne, but the tallow based soaps, they leave my skin smoother and you don't see much acne, really. I get acne anytime. Be a vegan, be a tallow, yeah, I'm gonna get some acne. Actually, I think I get less with the tallow bases, but I switched my bar soap for a tallow base a while ago, and I have a wart in my finger I forgot how long I had that thing in my finger. And as soon as I started using the tallow base bar soaps, I started with sterling because they are one of the cheapest ones you can get. And yeah, the wart went away. I didn't even realize that the wart went away. One day I was looking at my finger like, wait, I'm missing something here. Because it has been there for so long that I even forgot that it existed. Man, come on, this leather is looking beautiful. I think it has a touch of menthol or mint. I feel kind of a little bit of a cooling effect. But yeah. So as you can see, the knot is not my favorite, but it does a great job regardless. So look at that. It might even be better than the other ones because it's so floppy. For the style that, for how I use make my leather. We'll see. Hopefully this one sings. I only have 1 day of growth though, or not even that. Yeah, extra crunchy. I want that crunchiness on the videos. Oh yeah, very slick. Very slick. Very nice. All three razors are very nice. I would say even the edge blade I find it mild, but you're talking to a guy that used shaves on his face, so he destroys probably my nervous system on my face. So very nice. Very refreshing. Yeah, very, very good. Doing a great job. Filoso Blade still smooth after the 5th use. Very nice, very nice. I'm looking forward to the feedback on the video. Did you guys also enjoy hearing the feedback from the razor? I think that's my ASMR on the videos. Very nice. Hopefully Razor Emporium brings them back. Wow, very smooth going across my neck. Like I said before, I don't use them that much because I have my favorites. But it's a great razor. It's kind of like a better version of the Henson, or well, somewhat. Henson works fine too. I like the Henson, but this one is bigger. But also, I like that it's a smaller handle. I prefer smaller handle. This is gonna be the last pass, so stick whatever we can out of the brush. Because it's gonna be going down the drain anyway, so might as well use it. Tomorrow today I don't know how work is gonna be because I had 3 loads. If I do all 3, it's gonna be a long ass day. But the company requested for a second driver, but I haven't heard anything. So if the second driver comes, it's gonna be a short day. If the second driver doesn't come, yeah, I'll be in for some hours. Very, very smooth across the neck. I'm pretty sure it's because the head is so wide, this area. More contact with the skin because that's... But I think it happens with the timeless. Very nice. Let's see how well it did. Should be good. So performed really well as I expected, but first time that I used it, my leather wasn't that great. But yeah, it's very, very slick. I believe vegan bases tend to be slicker, but I cannot tell the difference. What I pay attention for is the residual sneaking and the post-shave feel, especially. But yeah, it got everything. No nicks. Looks a little bit red, but no irritation really. my face can take a beating. Well, it's been taking a beating for decades, so it's already got used to. Let me watch the microphone this time. I'm gonna start dingling the carabiner on the microphone. Because this new microphone likes to be close to the body. That's why a lot of people use it for ASMR. Oh, because I put it in front of me like the other one, but it picks up a lot of noises from the room that one is close to the chest. Also, people don't know that you can put it, where is it? I lost it. Where is it? You can put it inside the t-shirt. There's nothing wrong. Also, I'm speaking loud too close to it, so my apologies. But you can put it close inside the t-shirt, and it's more protected, and also it's more discreet because you only see the magnet, so it's more discreet. But anyway, I just gave you a lot of noises. My apologies. I got carried away. I keep forgetting. Anyway, time for the splash. No burn. A little bit of a cooling effect. Feels great. It smells great. I think it's floral with some menthol, mint, maybe some citrus. Anyway, I am no expert, but it smells nice, at least for me. Very relaxing. Ready to start the new day. Well, thank you for watching as always. That's gonna be it for today, and I guess I'll see you on the next shave. Have a great day.